Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these blonde chocolate cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated sugar. Then mix them all together on a low speed to start with, working up to medium high, just until they're lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. They should basically be very well combined. Once you've achieved a very well combined status, like you're seeing now, so it's come together and it's not as separated, add in your egg and vanilla and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. It will change the consistency of the mixture, but don't worry, this is completely normal. Just give the bowl a quick scraping down, and that's just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your flour, followed by your blonde chocolate, which has been roughly chopped. Then just mix this in by hand. Feel free to use a hand mixer if you'd like, but I find mixing it by hand stops you from over mixing and doesn't make the cookie as tough textured. It takes a little bit of time, but trust me, it's worth it in the end. So once you've got your dough, you can take your scoop and take one whole scoop and level it off with just the side of the bowl. Then take that and place it into your hands, flatten it out a little bit, just create like a crater, and you're going to place in some blonde chocolate spread. I'm using the last of what ingredients I have in the cupboard, which have got short dates, so that's why you're getting recipes like this today. So it's a bit random, a bit mishmash, but I'm filling it with some blonde chocolate spread, so you're really getting that blonde chocolate flavour with these cookies. Squeeze it so it doesn't squeeze out, pop out too much. Mine did a little bit, but not too bad. Then just roll it off into a ball shape and place onto a baking tray. You could probably put 6 on the tray, but I put 3 or 4 at most, just to ensure. So repeat the process until you've got your trays filled, then place them into the oven and bake them off. Here's what they look like once they're fresh from the oven. I just finished them off by putting some more of the blonde chocolate, which have been roughly chopped, on top. So feel free to add it or not, it just adds more chocolate to a chocolate cookie, because who doesn't want more chocolate? So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.